So one of the most common questions I get is, do super cute pets like this cause issues with sleep and snoring? If you have allergies to dogs or pets, obviously this can cause nasal congestion, allergies, which can then cause snoring and sleep disruption. The other thing to think about is these sweet little critters sometimes can actually disrupt your sleep while you're sleeping by limiting the space that you have in your own room or waking you up in the middle of the night for various reasons, and that can also be very disruptive to your sleep. So I think the key is knowing, number one, do you have allergies, and two, setting some boundaries about the space that you sleep in. But definitely there's very few things that are as awesome as a little snuggle with these guys at night.